Hello everyone, I am Katha Harshita of 8th Sem A section, and today I am presenting my technical seminar on the topic Touchless Touchscreen Technology, Future of Touchscreen. So basically, what is touchless touchscreen? Touchless touchscreen can be defined as a technology where the finger motions are utilized without any need to touch the screen. In simple words, it works through hand wave in a particular direction or a hand flick in a certain area. These are the table of contents. Let us begin with abstract. It was the touchscreens which initially created great future. Touchscreen displays are found everywhere across globe. Frequent touching a touchscreen display with a pointing device such as a finger can ultimately lead to the failure of the touchscreen. To avoid this, a simple user interface for touchless control of electrically operated equipment is being developed. This technology lets you control your gadgets like computers, MP3 players, or mobile phones without actually touching them. Introduction. Simple UI for touchless control. They use simple user interface for touch control, which is developed by Elliptic Labs innovative technology. This unique screen is made by TouchCo, White Electronics Designs and Group A 3D. It works by detecting your hand movements in front of it. This is a pretty unique and interesting invention. It requires a sensor, but the sensor is neither hand mounted nor present on the screen. The sensor can be placed either on the table or near the screen. It recognizes the position of an object within 5 feet. First, let us see about touchscreen. These screens are made from multiple layers of glass. The inner layer conducts electricity and so does the outer layer. So, effectively, the screen behaves like two electrical conductors which is separated by an insulator. The first touchscreen phone was launched in 1992 by IBM. The IBM Simon is also referred as the first smartphone. There are three common types of touchscreens. They are single touchscreen, multi touchscreen, 10-point touchscreen. Now let us see about touchless touchscreen. This technology is being used in many forms in many different places. This system depends on hand or finger motions, a hand wave in a certain direction. The sensor can be placed either on the screen or near the screen. It lets us control our gadgets without actually touching them. 3D navigation of hand movements. These are the gestures of the touchless touchscreen technology. Touchless monitor. The monitor based on technology from TouchCo was recently demonstrated by White Electronic Designs and Tactile Services, the CeBIT show. The technology detects motion in 3D and required no special worn sensors for operation. Touchless touchscreen, your hand does not have to come in contact with the screen at all. It works by detecting your hand movements in front of it. Let us see the working of touchless touchscreen. The system is capable of detecting movements in 3D without ever having to put fingers on the screen. Sensors are mounted around the screen that is being used. By interacting the line of sight of these sensors, the motion is detected and interpreted into on-screen movements. The device is based on optical pattern recognition, used a solid state optical matrix sensor with a lens to detect the hand motion. Touchless user interface. The basic idea described in the patent is that there would be sensors arrayed around the perimeter of the device capable of sensing finger movements in 3D space. The user could use her fingers similarly to a touch phone but actually without using the touchscreen. Touchless SDK. SDK stands for Software Development Kit. The Touchless SDK is an open source SDK for .NET applications. It enables developers to create multi-touch applications using a webcam for input. Using the SDK lets developers offer users a new and cheap way of experiencing multi-touch capabilities without the need of expensive hardware or software. TouchWall. It was the first multi-touch product. TouchWall consists of three infrared lasers that scans a surface. A camera notes when something breaks through the laser line and feeds that information back to the Plex software. Touchless demo. The demo was created using the Touchless SDK and Windows Forms with Chash. There are four fun demos. First one is the snake, where you can control a snake with a marker, defender, up to four players version of a Pong like game, map, where you can rotate, zoom, and move a map using two markers, and you can even draw. Few inspired touchless technology are elliptic labs. Elliptic labs allow you to operate your computer without touching it with the Windows 8 gesture suite. Air writing. Air writing is a technology that allows you to write text messages or compose emails by writing it in the air. Eyesight. Eyesight is a gesture technology which allows you to navigate through your devices by just painting at it or pointing at it. Mouse. It is a third party device that turns your iPhone into trackpad or mouse. Point grab. Point grab is something similar to eyesight in that it enables users to navigate on their computer just by pointing at it. Leap motion. Leap motion is a motion sensor device that recognizes the user's fingers with its infrared LEDs and cameras. Microsoft Kinect. It detects and recognizes a user's body movement and it reproduces it with the video game that is being played. Advantages of touchless touchscreen. As we all know that it is easier and it provides a satisfactory experience. Touchless screen. Without actually touching it, we can still operate it. We are controlling object. We are actually controlling an object over there. Gesturing and cursor positioning. No drivers required. Conclusion. Today's thought are again around user interface. Efforts are being put together the technology day in and day out. The touchless touchscreen user interface can be used effectively in computers, cell phones, webcams, and laptops. Maybe a few years down the lane, our body can be transformed into a virtual mouse, virtual keyboard. Our body may be turned into an output device. These are the references. Thank you.